Hello everyone and welcome back to Dual Wisdom. This week I'm gonna do an unpacking video of an HDMI cable for your smartphone. Now the specific thing that I bought is called the DMG MHL HDMI Adapter 1080p HDTv cable for Samsung Galaxy Note-3. Well, I bought this thing for around 11 USD, but it might vary from one country to another, so just verify what the price in your specific country is. Okay, so I've got it right over here and I think it's time for us to unpack this thing. So, let's get it started. Okay, so here is the HDMI cable and now we're gonna unpack this. So we just take any side and here we have the scissors. So carefully, just slice through it. Then we take out the insides. Yep, just remove it like that. No need of knives or anything, no scissors, nothing, just hands. And there we see something, some papers, again some papers. Just put them at one side for now. Okay, I've not opened this for a while and yeah, let's see. Because there are some things written over here, I'm gonna come to that later on. First we're gonna take this thing out. Okay, so it is orange, right? I didn't expect it to be orange, but anyway, now we're gonna just take this out. Okay, it's quite long. It has to be long because it's an HDMI cable. It's supposed to be connected to the television. Yeah, it's quite long. Okay, so this side has to go into your smartphone. This goes to the HDMI port of your television, and this goes to the USB port. Okay, over here it says that it works for Galaxy S3, S4, Note-2, Note-3. Let's take a look at what's written behind the pack, and it says micro USB to HDMI adapter cable turns your phone's USB prod into, okay, it's prod, it's written prod over here, it's supposed to be port, but anyway, into a standard HDMI port. Works with all MHL enabled mobile phones and tablets. Supports content with high bandwidth digital okay, forget it. Okay, so there is some stuff written over here, features, specifications, package contents. As for package contents, there's only one thing: MHL adapter and system requirements. So it says over here that it's usage, it's micro USB to smartphone, HDMI to HDTv, and USB to power source. Also, there's one more thing written on this pack, and it says that power chart smartphone max 1080p HDTv. That's pretty easy to understand. And there's something else: 8-channel digital audio and support HDCP, and that's for the information that it gives you about the thing. Okay, so we come back, we just clean this. Now, first thing is what we're gonna do is connect this port to our smartphone, and then we're gonna connect the other port, the HDMI cable, to the television and see how this thing works. Okay, so here we've got the HDMI cable and here's the television. Now for this we also need a laptop and of course your smartphone. So what do we do here is, first we find the HDMI port and we put it in the HDMI port on the television. Then we see this port, the USB 2.0, that goes right into your smartphone's charging port, and it's over here. Still there's no display because there's one more thing to go, and that is the power source. That's going to be the power source. That's the USB cable that goes directly to your laptop. Now just put it like that and we connect it. Alright, as soon as we connect it, we get the notification, and our smartphone is connected, as you can just see right over here. After it's been connected, then you can just browse through anything. You can play any app. For example, right now I'm going to play the 2FI 1B. Single phone brain. Okay, so you kind of get an idea of this. Now, not only games, you can just browse through anything. For example, right now I'm going to open YouTube. It's basically for when you have a lot of people in your room and there's something, some kind of video on your device, or any game that you want to play with your friends. So, or if you want to show something to your friends, then it's for that purpose. Because that way you can show it to a lot of people at one time. Instead of a small screen, you can show it at a big screen, as your television is. Okay, so we go to uploads. And there are all my uploads till now. Okay, so here it is. You can just showcase any of your movies or anything that you have it. And here you can see it's directly the same thing that's being shown over here. It's not just limited to the things on the internet. You can show your pictures or anything like that to everybody inside your home. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, as always, don't forget to subscribe and give that like button a click. Now, don't forget to check out my other videos, and also don't forget to check out the videos that are gonna come later on. So, don't forget to click that subscribe button and stay tuned.